Welcome to the Green Existing Schools web training series hosted by the Center for Green Schools. In this module, you will learn about the basic steps and best practices to help you develop a sustainability plan for your school or school district. Efforts to green the nation's schools are driven by desires to create healthier, more productive learning environments for students and teachers, while also achieving economic and environmental benefits. School districts undergoing new construction or renovation projects may choose to design and construct their buildings to meet specific green standards. The U.S. Green Building Council's internationally recognized rating system for sustainable buildings, LEED, offers green certification options for new construction and existing K-12 schools. Certification to LEED demonstrates to the community that the facility is operated in a way that supports the health and well-being of its occupants and saves energy, resources, and money. Like LEED, your sustainability program should consider various areas of work, such as energy and resource management, environmental health, and materials selection. Now we will walk through the steps you should consider when planning and developing your sustainability program. A comprehensive Green Schools plan will focus on ensuring that schools are resource efficient, are implementing sustainable operations and maintenance practices, and are maintaining optimal health and comfort for all building occupants. To ensure success, one of the first steps you will take is to establish a diverse project team that uses integrated design. This process engages the entire group of stakeholders early in the planning process so that potential issues and ideas are identified early and challenges can be addressed quickly and cost-effectively. To prepare team members, arrange educational sessions and technical workshops on green school topics, and schedule local experts to train and update staff on a regular basis. Small working groups may be assigned to research specialized areas. One of the working groups could research an array of financial opportunities available at the local, state, and federal levels to support program goals. Consider reaching out to community partners, including local utility companies, as they often have financial incentives to offer. One of the most important tasks is to prepare a detailed communication strategy that highlights the benefits of green schools for different audiences. Outline how your program highlights the triple bottom line and use statistics to convey why green schools are good for your community. To set priorities efficiently, involve your working group to review current district operational policies and practices in areas such as transportation, waste, energy, water, groundskeeping, purchasing, and environmental health. Next, you can determine realistic and measurable goals in each relevant area and establish the scope and costs involved in working towards these goals. See the other Green Existing Schools web modules for more details on each of these areas. These preparations will help you select one or more green programs to pilot at a select number of schools. The small-scale pilot will make it easier to implement lessons learned when making changes on a bigger scale. A key component of a successful sustainability program is strategic training for building occupants, facilities personnel, and others who might be impacted by the plan. Before you implement your pilot, ensure that all stakeholders are properly trained, made aware of the goals and expectations, and understand what success looks like. Before you move on to the full-scale deployment, you will want to evaluate the pilot program and address elements that need improvement. Solicit feedback from a broad group of stakeholders and develop a process to measure impacts. Now that you have a comprehensive plan outlined and data from your pilot program, next steps are to create a larger plan of action to implement upgrades and adopt sustainable operations and maintenance practices district-wide. Students can have a lot of fun exploring their own school building and grounds by conducting energy, water, waste, transportation, and air quality assessments, while at the same time applying math, engineering, writing, and other skills. This data can be used in your program planning efforts as you scale up, so consider encouraging teachers to use their green school building for project-based experiential learning. And most importantly, plan times to celebrate success of your Green Schools plan. Share stories, emphasize benefits, and cite specifics, including statistics on cost savings and improved attendance rates. Publicly recognize leaders and volunteers, and consider providing tours of your green schools to increase awareness. Now that you have an overview of what steps are involved in creating a sustainability program for your school or school district, the next step is to gather more in-depth information. For additional guidance, you can refer to the existing schools training guide that provides more details on the content covered in this training and includes references to useful websites and publications, such as the Green Existing Schools Implementation Workbook and the Green Existing Schools Project Management Guide. See centerforgreenschools.org/resources for more publications, reports, and trainings. The Center for Green Schools at USGBC has also assembled a network to help answer any questions you might have while acting on the information you've learned today. Please send questions to the email address shown here, and we will connect you with peers who can assist you in finding the answers. Thank you for listening today, and best of luck with your green school efforts.